This is the story of a cow who sneezed in the sky. On a little farm called El Wardania, there lived a cow named Natnaa. She didn't moo like a normal cow. She sneezed. One day she let out a huge sneeze, a chew, and suddenly it started to rain. The farmers were amazed. They thought that she had magical weather powers, so every time the sky was dry, they sprinkled pepper near her nose. And every time she sneezed, it rained. But one day they used too much pepper. Nana didn't sneeze. She laughed, and instead of rain, popcorn started falling from the sky. From that day on, the kids called her the Cinema Cow. The end.